Nah,
Oke, sekarang kita coba tes. Apakah Ishak bisa ditinggal dan diminta? Agar jangan pegang ikan lele kesukaannya.
nah, ikannya jangan dipegang ya, jangan masukin tangan ke ember, oke? Don't put your finger to your bucket, okay? Don't touch because the water dirty, okay? Okay.
Come on, eh? Come on, eh? Oh my God. Oh my
Oh my God. You put your finger to the bucket, yeah?
Don't.
Yeah? You touch a fish?
No.
Really?
I
No, I'm not angry. I just want to check you. You put your finger to the water or
don't
not?
check me.
Don't check.
Also,
Why?
you catfish.
You grab the catfish? Really? With two hands? Uh-oh.
You grab the catfish with your hand.
Really?
Yeah, but don't grab the catfish with the net. Just with hand. Don't with the net.
Don't with the net.
If you grab the catfish with the net, the catfish will get die.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Smile to me.
Isaac tak bisa diminta untuk tidak pegang ikan lele kesukaannya.